The scenery shot serves as a very important audio-visual language, which we can often see in the video. Then what is a scenery shot? Generally speaking, we would divide the content in a video into people, objects, and the scene. Simply put, a scenery shot is a shot without people. So today, we will talk about how to use scenery shots. In daily editing, scenery shots can be used as a source of information. For example, if we open VideoProc Vlogger, create a new project to make a travel vlog. Apart from importing video footage of the leading characters, we can also prepare some scenery shots of different tourist spots. When creating, first, drag a few scenery shots to the video track. Next, add footage with characters. The final result not only enables the audience to perceive the environment, but also enhances the sense of immersion and enriches image composition in the film. When used as a transition, the scenery shot can bridge a gap between two scenes. For example, in Lawrence of Arabia, by creating the matching cuts, the scene goes from the main character blowing out a match indoors to the scenery shot, and then to another scene. This completes a huge leap from the interior scene in England to the desert of Arabia. Another example is in the film Jojo Rabbit. The scene goes from the main character burning book to a scenery shot of the book burning, and then to the tent. Therefore, we can see the scenery shot is different from those fancy special effect transitions. It will help the film to go from the scene to the next scene more naturally and smoothly. In addition, when it comes to the situation that the pre-shot footage does not meet expectations and needs to be adjusted in post-editing, a scenery shot can also be used as a transition. In how to collect the mismatched shot video we created earlier in our channel, we explain this one in detail, so if you're interested in that, you can click the link in the upper right to check it out. When making some interesting films, you can also use a scenery shot to create atmosphere to enhance the mood. For example, when editing this kind of pretty melancholic video, if you just stitch two different scenes together, it would be pretty boring and stiff. But if you import some scenery shots and drag them into the video track, the tone of the whole video will be elevated. Of course, you need to pay attention to the fact that after adding the scenery shots, there might be the situation where the style of the scenery shots and character clip are not consistent. But no worry, we can correct it by adjusting the color. Select the clip. Find the color icon in the toolbar. Click it to enter the color and filter panel. On the left side of the interface, there are many filters. You can select them directly. Of course, you can also go to the right side of the interface to make some custom adjustments. To match a melancholic atmosphere of the whole film, we first adjust the tint value to green, set it to a proper value, as if the value is too high, it could produce the opposite effect. Then increase the contrast and saturation. Reduce the shadows, so that the picture can be richer in color. Finally, adjust the other values properly. This will give your video a great color tone. Click Apply to apply the adjustment. And of course, you can also continue to add more effects. For example, open the transition icon in the top left. Drag the fade to black transition to the end of the video. This will also enhance the mood. And finally, if you're a creative person and know how to use montage, you can also attach a particular meaning to the scenery shots, and that is using it to help narrate the film. For example, in a film cycle, the director gives the main character a shot of her crashing down without adding another gory shot. Instead, he directs the scene to the scenery shot of water flow to suggest the passing of life. Alright, this is all for today's video. And if you want to know more about other tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we will see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!